Greetings, friends. Today, we are excited to introduce Optizord AI Tech, an innovative entrepreneurial venture. Together, we offer services designed to transform the digital landscape and propel your brand forward. Our social media management services help grow your accounts by creating engaging content that amplifies your brand's voice and attracts followers. With our poster design services, we bring your ideas to life visually. Our designs reflect your brand's identity, setting you apart from the competition. Utilize our AI video services to convert your messages into compelling videos, ensuring broader reach and engagement. Our web development services strengthen your online presence with user-friendly interfaces and superior performance. Implementing an AI chat assistant on your website provides 24/7 support to your users, enhancing service quality and reliability by offering instant responses to their queries. Our in-house AI image generator creates visual representations of your ideas, bringing your creations to life. Choose Optizord AI Tech to elevate your business in the digital world. We are committed to breathing life into your innovations. Thank you.